Hello kids, welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter H. Are you ready? Let's go. H for hen. Ha ha hen. H for horse. Ha ha horse. H for hippo. Ha ha hippo. H for hamster. Ha ha hamster. Let's repeat it again. H for hen. H for horse. H for hippo. H for hamster. H for hat. Ha ha hat. H for house. Ha ha house. H for hammer. Ha ha hammer. H for helmet. Ha ha helmet. Let's repeat it again. H for hat. H for house. H for hammer. H for helmet. H for head. Ha ha head. H for hair. Ha ha hair. H for hand. Ha ha hand. H for heart. Ha ha heart. Let's repeat it again. H for head. H for hair. H for hand. H for heart. H for honey. Ha ha honey. H for hamburger. Ha ha hamburger. H for hot dog. Ha ha hot dog. H for hummus. Ha ha hummus. Let's repeat it again. H for honey. H for hamburger. H for hot dog. H for hummus. H for hill. Ha ha hill. H for hospital. Ha ha hospital. H for harbor. Ha ha harbor. H for hut. Ha ha hut. Let's repeat it again. H for hill. H for hospital. H for harbor. H for hut. H for hero. Ha ha hero. H for hunter. Ha ha hunter. H for helper. Ha ha helper. H for host. Ha ha host. Let's repeat it again. H for hero. H for hunter. H for helper. H for host. H for helicopter. Ha ha helicopter. H for hook. Ha ha hook. H for handbag. Ha ha handbag. H for horn. Ha ha horn. Let's repeat it again. H for helicopter. H for hook. H for handbag. H for horn. You've learned the letter H today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, H for hen. What is this? That's right, H for hat. What is this? Wow, H for horse. What flies high in the sky? Yes, H for helicopter. What's sweet and made by bees? Exactly, H for honey. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter I.